Hello everyone, welcome back to VllO channel. If you don't know me, my name is Soms. Here is my Instagram. You can have a look, go and check my profile. I have a lot of nice photos to share with you. And on this video, I am so happy to share my happiness with all of you guys because 2 days ago it was my birthday and I got this baby for my birthday gift from my boyfriend. So actually I already opened the box since that day on my birthday. However, we didn't complete open it because of the watch. There's no battery, so I couldn't manage to open and warm it in front of him. So today I'm going to do a completely open box, not unboxing, open the box and show you what is inside and which color I got, because usually I have this one already and but it's different one. He upgraded the watch for me to the Apple Watch 6 and I'm really excited and I'm so happy that I got this one for my birthday gift. Alright, on this video I'm going to only open the box to show what I got for my birthdays, and I also will do the setup pairing my Apple Watch with my phone to check if it's possible to pair two devices or not. I have seen some people they can pair two watch at the same time, so let's see how it's going to be. So I'm going to do that, opening my Apple Watch Series 6 now. So first I will take out the wrapping papers out from the box, and yeah, and here, as I told you, it's already open before. I just didn't have a chance to wear it because of there's no battery inside. So here's the one. The box cover is exactly the same with the VllO Apple Watch SE. So you can see that this is the strap that I already removed before, but I couldn't manage to wear it that moment because of there's no battery. For no point for me to keep opening and put it on my wrist because of there's no battery. And I'll take this one out. So now this is what I got in the box. It's quite totally different from the SE because of the SE, I think the cover of the watch will be plastic if I'm not wrong, and here is kind of like paper. It's like a paper, yeah. It's look more expensive to me compared to the SE, no? Anyway, so here you are. I didn't even had a chance to remove the plastic yet because of I didn't plan to wear it, as I realized that the watch there's no battery there. Okay, and here is all the user manual, guys. As you can see, always the same every time, the paper. And so far, after I've been using the watch, I realized that it's not that difficult. You just need time to try to learn about how it works. So far I am fine with that, so I don't need to read this stuff. And let's check here also the Apple Watch charger. I think it's a fast charge if I'm not wrong, yeah, because of it's very small battery, so they don't take that much time for charging this watch. I think around 1 hour or less than 1 hour. Yeah, this is the Apple Watch 6. So, okay, I'll close this box and I'm going ahead with my strap. So my boyfriend got me the strap, which is a stainless steel. It's a Milanese loops bracelets in silver color. Alright, today's surprise over there, so no problem. It is a user guys. We never check on that. And it's a stainless steel. I don't know. It's not stainless steel or stainless steel. I think it's a stainless steel. Let me check. Okay. Anyway, I'll take it out first because I want to install with the Apple Watch. Okay, how? Alright, I found the way to remove. Yeah, it's quite very fit to the box, the case. Okay, and then you need to remove these parts. Okay, you can see that I have one over here, and this one I ordered it from online shopping. It's not original from the Apple Watch itself, but I find that this one is matching the rose gold color more than the gold color that they have in the Apple Watch store, because in the Apple Watch store they only have the gold color, Milanese gold color, to matching with the stainless steel gold color watch, which is the more expensive price, but this one is cheap one. So you can see that the color is matching the watch perfectly. In this strap, the fake strap or the cheaper strap or whatsoever you can say, I find online store, right? And I realized that they have 4 colors to matching with the watch, but I think the one is perfectly matching this one. This one is called champagne colors or rose gold. I'm not wrong. Let me check, because on the next video I'm going to talk about the different color of the Milanese strap to matching with your Apple Watch rose gold color, because I have a rose gold colors and I have purchased a lot of strap trying to matching with the watch, and I find this one is the perfect matching. So for the next video I'm going to give you an idea and the difference of the color, the comparison between these colors to make you more clear and which color you want to go for it. Okay, first I remove this one here, and where? Alright, should be this way. Okay. And one more. I realized that I have a lot of jewelry that in a silver color, and I believe that this one is gonna be a perfect matching with my jewelry more. And as you can see, this one they have kind of code, also a code here saying 40 millimeter. Alright, now I'm going to remove this one, the protective screen protection, and I'm going to switch on. And now we switch on this Apple Watch for pairing with my phone. Let's see how it works. It's gonna take some time, so while waiting. So now it's already start. Okay, bring the iPhone near the Apple Watch. Already there. Okay, it say use your iPhone, set up this Apple Watch, continue. Alright, set up for myself, set up for my family, so I will should set up for myself. Okay, and then put your phone watch here. Okay. I think I cannot pair it because of I am pairing with already one watch. Set up. Let's try one more time. The wrist. I usually wear my watch on my right hand side because of I am left-handed, so I will store like that. Let's see. Still loading. Alright, I prefer this way. Okay, agree. Share the setting, of course. Continue. Create a password. I will not add the passcode now, so enable blood oxygen check. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Continue. 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 They asked me if I want to install available app or not. Okay, some app on your iPhone work with your Apple Watch. You can install this app now. Okay, install now. I think that is pretty much about it for the opening the new Apple Watch Series 6 today. I hope you enjoyed my video so far. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell to receive new update video in the future. And for today, it's time for say goodbye.